Hey everybody, I hope y'all are doing well. I'm excited to make this video. I have some good, fun announcements. So first of all, I took a hiatus from Facebook for a good number of months, and I've come to the realization now I'm back on Facebook. I just rejoined with a brand new account. So I literally have zero friends right now. And the reason I've done that is purely for you, for the Embira community. I've really just come to, I don't think realize is the right word because I've always known it, but maybe just further embrace that, really one of my big duties in this world is to spread Embira music and to connect with Embira players around the world, not only through my own playing and Patreon and that kind of thing, but also to uh, hopefully give a platform and access to Embira players in Zimbabwe um, to showcase their work as well. So I've found over these last several months that has really been lacking in my life, and I want to get that back. So I've decided to jump back into Facebook. I am making some sort of mental changes on my end. I'm my intention is to have my page be basically exclusively that, where I will be doing music related stuff, whether it's my compositions or art or Embira music or sharing, but not so much engaging in like politics and all these other things that kind of drove me away from Facebook in the first place. I miss you guys. I want to see you guys out there. So that is one announcement. Another announcement is that I've been getting requests for more beginner friendly videos, and that makes sense because well, we have a lot of new people here and people that are newer to the Embira, and you're welcome. And I want you to feel supported if you're a new player. My sort of go to answer has been, we've been doing this for maybe 4 years now, and there are hundreds of videos, and to go back and start at the beginning and work your way forward. And that still holds true. But I will also be starting a new beginner series that's going to be modeled after like those first 20 something Nemam Sasa videos where I just really broke down the basic kushaura of Nemam Sasa through a whole series of videos. So I'll be starting a new series on Kariga Mombe that is doing just that. It's going to be a multi-video, and the plan is every week there will be a new Kariga Mombe video. It'll be labeled as a beginner series. We have plenty of advanced and intermediate stuff. I will still be doing that stuff as well, but I do want to kind of flesh out the beginner series area so I have more stuff to point people to other than just saying, I'll go back 4 years and work your way forward. Let me think. Oh, yeah. So another big announcement is I'm going to be restarting Embira Mondays. Now, today is Saturday. Like I said, I have zero friends on Facebook. So I believe if I do a live video, I think it only like shows to my friends. So probably not this Monday. But what you can do is if you're on Facebook and if you want to be a part of Embira Mondays again, find me on there. Friend request me. I'll put the link. I'm like Joel Laviolette, number 80 something. But my logo is the Embira, and I'll put the link down here as well for y'all. Yeah, this is the studio in my new room. You can probably hear the echoey sort of reverb feel. This is an untreated room, so obviously I have a lot of work to do in here. Um, but I like it a lot. There's windows on both sides actually, so I get light from both sides. So I'm really excited to be back. I'm really excited to be connecting with you all again, not just through Patreon, but also on Facebook. Let's create this new Facebook as a way maybe that it sort of was originally meant to be, where we can connect around this beautiful music and share and support and uplift each other. All right, I look forward to to that. Bye.